the pace of your cuts should match the pace of the music. So, for instance, in this shot right here, it's a slower type song. There's not a lot of emphasize. There's nothing that really emphasizes the beat. So you can have these longer shots that kind of can cut at different moments.
Good today. I'm glad it's finally here. It seems like the 2 weeks building up to it.
Whereas, let's see. So the beat is driving it more. So you see a little bit more of, it's a little bit faster paced, something like that. Let's see. So that again, it's a faster paced song. There's more of that beat, so the pace of the cuts goes along with it. In addition to the downbeat, there's also a pretty powerful upbeat there. So sometimes it's also on the upbeat for that song. So the pace of the music dictates when you cut.